Hi everyone, in front of me I've got my myPhone N23 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, and this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate my steps. So let's open the browser and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner to open more options. Then let's tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got, I would say, some kind of basic options. So for example, you can remove browsing history, opened tabs and cookies cache and other site data. You can change the time range from last 15 minutes to all time, and then tap on clear data. However, if you want to remove some advanced data, just tap on more options, and here we will be transferred to this section. Those are just basic options, just like I've shown you before. And here we've got those advanced settings, so we can also remove saved passwords, auto-tune from data and site settings. So let me mark all of them. As you can see, I will remove all. We can also change the time range from last 15 minutes to 4 weeks, 7 days, or even all time, so it's up to you. Just tap on the option you'd like to use, and then tap on clear data. Tap on clear, and we just successfully removed our browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.